Hi, I'm Maverick. This is my sister.
Hi, I'm Hadley.
We're gonna watch a volcano explode.
We will add the baking soda
Don't touch it.
and then the vinegar.
Yeah.
And they will make a chemical reaction. So Maverick, you can put the baking soda in. Gentle. Now I will add this. Oh my goodness. That was so
How
bad.
about put it back in?
Okay, I'll put them back.
Purple volcano.
I'm so glad we chose
When can
purple.
I touch it? The last spot.
That was so cool.
Can I touch it?
Bye.
Can I touch it?
Bye.
Can I touch it?